Good afternoon, everybody. It's a beautiful day in the Philippines. Now I'm waiting for my Australian friend. He should be here now, but he's not. I hope nothing's happened. Right, I just want to give you a better idea where we're actually going to Feliciana Kuchen, Kuchen, and it's just off Magsaysay. The waterboard here is where you go and pay your water bill. City Hall's here, and Feliciana Kuchen's here. So it's pretty easy to find if you want to come here. Guys, the food here is just amazing. Absolutely amazing. You'll not be disappointed if you come here and you have some food, I'm telling you. I recommend the beef ribs. Beautiful. Falls off the bone. You'll love it. The owner was trained in Japan, and you can see that by how the food's presented for a start. So Feliciana Kuchen, if you ever want a really good restaurant, then come here. I'll just show you the outside, because there's only a little sign. Now if I was the owner, I would put it in big letters on here, and then maybe light it up for like night time. But this is it. It used to be just a little place, and it used to start here. There was steps going up to it, and now look at it. It's beautiful inside. The staff's amazing. So here we are again outside Feliciana. Here's Dave, all the way from Australia. And beautiful lady here. So we're going to go in, and they're going to see if the food's as good as I'm telling them it is.
Yes, and finally we meet Chris. Chris is real.
Oh yeah. I mean,
I thought he was AI, but no.
Anyway, we'll go in and we'll turn it on again when we get some food.
To meet you, and
it's a pleasure, mate. Thanks for inviting me.
well, I'm here now.
Yeah. So I've just thanked Dave and his beautiful lady for inviting me out. It's lovely. Do you know what? Before the pandemic, I got sick of meeting foreigners.
Yeah.
I really did. It was like every other day, and it's like, oh no. And then when the pandemic hit, I was begging for a foreigner to want to meet me, honestly. So look, guys, they put a Christmas tree up. Isn't that beautiful?
Yes.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, it is nice.
Look, it's only dinner time, and there's a few people in, and then come evening the place will be full. It's very popular.
It must be a Brit thing, dinner time. So it's not lunchtime, it's dinner time.
Dinner time we call it.
Oh,
yeah, we
okay,
don't call it lunch. Breakfast, dinner, tea.
Oh yeah, for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The Aussies.
So I've recommended the beef ribs, guys.
Okay.
And the battered prawns. So if you come beef ribs, you must taste the ribs. It falls off the bone.
Okay, that sounds
beautiful.
Good. That sounds good.
Beautiful. Well, this is the food, guys. This is the battered prawns.
So this is Philippine cuisine, traditional.
No.
Okay.
I mean, like I said, I don't think so. The owner, who's the chef, is Japanese trained.
No, I see.
And a lot of, I mean, look how it's set up, guys. You can see the plates. It's not been thrown together.
Chris, you can't eat that. It's too good looking.
So I said to Dave, what you have? And he says, I'm going to share yours.
Yeah.
So.
And you said bugger off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Fair enough.
So basically, I think, has she ordered another one of these for you?
Yes, Chris.
So Dave's going to have that, because there was a bit of confusion. He thought he was going to eat mine.
Yeah.
And his partner told him, no, you've got to have your own.
That's right, yes.
And I ordered that, and his partner gave me this.
Yeah, swaps.
Yeah.
Oh
my God. Yeah.
They swapped that, Chris.
Do you know what? It's like, I've ordered things in restaurants before, guys, and then somebody orders something else and you think, oh God, I wish I'd ordered that.
Yeah.
But do you know what? Next time I'll try something different when I come.
Well, you're
I
here
love
every
this.
second week, so
Yeah.
you've got to vary it up.
There's going to be more and more foreigners coming to Naga now, so
That's true.
I'll not need any money for food. You
Well,
know.
I've noticed a lot of Westerners here now, Chris. A lot.
There's more and more and
Yeah,
more.
yeah.
I mean, just after the pandemic, you could go into SM and not really bump into a foreigner.
Yeah.
Now, I went in the other day,
Yeah.
I bumped into about 3-4 foreigners.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
there's more and more.
I went to that place that you went to where you didn't actually get into because you didn't have your card. Was it SNR or something?
SNR.
Yeah, got your card now?
No,
Oh dear, I went there.
I don't see any point.
Okay.
Mel's got a card. It cost us 700.
Okay.
The only thing I would go in there for is the wraps
Oh yeah.
and the fish
Yeah.
and the
Pizzas are good apparently.
pizza and the baked beans. Taking the kids in for something
Yeah,
to eat.
yeah,
That's about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is not a blatant ad for SNR.
Yeah.
It's just,
Well, right. I started asking how they met. Now they met online on this like dating
No, it's
site.
not a dating site.
It's not a dating
No, no,
site.
it's
Oh
not.
no, it's an Australian thing.
Australian
Isn't
site.
it?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Why was she on an Australian site?
Because she's good question.
Yeah.
Because she's interested in Australia, and
Right.
you were just interested in Australia, weren't you?
Yep. There you go.
Yep.
So how long ago was that?
That's
Dave?
about
9 years.
9 years.
9 years?
9 years.
Oh my God! Congratulations. You've managed 9 years and not had to marry her.
10 years since
Because I've been in Australia, so
Yeah.
it's long distance relationship.
long distance relation and also I'm busy to look after 2 kids.
Two
I have
kids.
2 kids.
Yes.
You've got 2 kids.
Yes. The eldest is 13 and the youngest is 10.
Yes.
13 and 10. Wow. 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 So what's the plans then, Dave? I mean,
plan
have you
is-
retired yet?
No, I haven't. No. So the plan is, because I'm a radio announcer back in Australia.
Right.
So the plan is, it was put in place a while ago. Where is it possible to remote access from the Philippines, build a studio here, and do my show here back to Australia?
That'd be good.
So and they ticked off on it, which is great.
Oh,
so I've got a
amazing.
3-year deal.
Right.
So I start on January 8th. So I've got until now, until January 8th to build the studio.
Do you need anybody with absolutely no experience?
Absolutely no experience. No, you've got lots of media experience, Chris. We'll get you in for a chat about blogging.
Yeah.
No, you want to be paid. Okay, I'll pay you. That's
Yeah.
fine. That's you're a media star.
If I could earn just a little bit, just a little bit.
Well, we are looking for a maid, Chris.
A maid?
Yeah.
No, I don't look good in an apron. No.
Oh, come on.
Oh.
Seen your legs. No, that's all good. But yeah, so it's pretty exciting. I've been to Naga a few times. Last time I was in Naga, you were sick, so we couldn't catch up at that stage. But it's a nice place. And I've seen places like Calaguas,
Yeah.
which is beautiful.
I love Naga. I love Naga.
I noticed that.
Yeah, I love Naga.
Yeah. What do you love most about Naga?
Well, I love
Thank you.
the fact that
Thanks, hon.
Naga's like a stepping stone to the rest of Bicol,
Ah, yes.
right? And as soon as it doesn't matter which direction you go out in Naga,
Yeah.
there's lovely resorts.
Yeah.
You've got the hot springs up in Paniquasant.
Yes,
there.
aren't they good?
You know, all the you
Excellent.
start to go out, you see all the rice fields and
Ah, yes.
you know,
Yeah.
it's just beautiful, and I love
Yeah.
that kind of
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
But I love the people.
Yeah.
The local authorities are great, I think.
Yes, they
You know,
are.
the police, the local
yes.
authorities, they're all good. I love the police. I love the tourist police.
Yes.
They've
The
really
mayor seems
treated
very
me
nice
well.
to you too. The mayor seems very nice.
Yeah, they've really treated me well,
Yeah.
very well.
Yeah.
And of course, 2 or 3 of them are my friends, a
Yeah, I've
sergeant,
noticed that.
a couple of sergeants, and you know, just the regular tourist police. So I've made some friends, which I'm very chuffed about.
That's good.
So yeah, I mean, I can't see myself living anywhere else
No, well, Chris, we're both at that age now. It's time
at the
to-
moment.
This is it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm nearly 63 in April.
Just a baby.
I mean, how long have I got left?
Chris, do not be like that.
Well, no, I mean, I'm being realistic.
You've
I
got
mean,
a good at
I
least
want-
5 years.
Oh, thanks very much.
No.
Thank you for your word.
I'm hoping that I've got at least 10 years left.
Easy.
You know what I mean?
Easy. Look at you, healthy
10
ass.
years.
Healthy
Yeah.
ass.
French fries.
Yeah, I am now. I've stopped that.
No.
Yeah.
Well, I have discovered this stuff here. San Mig Light.
San Miguel is the. You can drink as much as that as
Really?
you want, and you'll
Hear that, honey?
you'll
As
not
much
be
as I
ill.
want.
You'll not be ill.
Okay, good.
You'll not be ill.
Good.
But keep off the Red Horse. I'm being serious.
Okay.
From a personal perspective.
Yeah.
Leave the Red Horse alone. As a foreigner.
Yeah.
I mean, these Filipinos can drink it, and
I've noticed the Filipinos do like a drink.
yeah.
Yeah.
And when you could.
Money.
Yeah.
You could be,
Even the-
yeah. You can walk around streets. They'll be outside on the table. Hey, Joe, one shot. Yeah, it's great. Anyway, guys,
Okay.
I'm going to eat.
This is cold now.
See you in a bit.
Chris, this was just fantastic. A really good restaurant. We'll be back.
I'm pleased you enjoyed it, mate. What about your partner?
She's just
Where's-
running away.
where's she going?
She wants to go shopping.
How rude. So, thanks to Dave. Thanks to his partner of how many years, Dave?
Oh, 9 now.
9 years? 9 years, guys. It's crazy. And they're not married yet. Normally the Filipina has the arm up the back. I need a husband. Not this one. She's very patient. Very patient. So thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Please hit the like button. Please watch the videos from start to finish. If you don't want to watch it, just go and get a coffee and let it run. That's the only way our videos get promoted. Please support the channel if you can. If you can't, watch the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye. Good stuff.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support. If you see you are not on the list, please let us know. Thank you. Aaron, Dr. Philippines, Anthony Neal, Kingsley, Dazlox, Gladio Atlantian, Zark Alfrey, Romeo Roma Santa, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Rick's Destination Cebu, Albarjit, Ferre Vildi, Scott Slavin, Brett Glazo, Stephen Baxter, Mira D, Brian Dawson, Jim Alvire, Didas Jornales, Paulo Svensson. Big thanks to all of you.